Kids, I'm Jeff. Welcome to a special edition John Deere DVD featuring highlights from our All About John Deere video series. The series is licensed by John Deere, is produced by TM Books and Video, and features Ertl toys. This special edition DVD includes the John Deere toy you just purchased. See how many times you can spot it. And now, let's get on with the show. As always, we open with the song.
Everyone knows that yellow and green. Watch 'em run smart, run fast, run lean. Helping us live the American dream, never resting till the job is done. Plowing a field or hauling stone, no better machines in the world are known. On the farm, at work, at home, the very best ton for ton. John Deere made a better plow. John Deere, name that's famous now. John Deere, I'll tell you how. It's all about John Deere. John Deere, sing it strong and loud. John Deere stands out from the crowd. John Deere makes America proud. It's all about John Deere. Quality and trust no one can deny. Name as American as apple pie. Celebrated as the 4th of July for over 100 years. Changing the course of history, still #1 in the industry. Far and wide, everybody agrees, nothing runs like a Deere. John Deere made a better plow. John Deere, name that's famous now. John Deere, I'll tell you how. It's all about John Deere. John Deere, sing it strong and loud. John Deere stands out from the crowd. John Deere makes America proud. It's all about John Deere.
The tractor is the backbone and most important piece of machinery on any farm. The modern-day John Deere farm tractor ranges in size from 18 horsepower to 500 horsepower. There are also smaller John Deere tractors that you see almost every day. But these are designed for lawn care, landscaping, nursery work, and hobby farming. These modern powerhouses have come a long way since 1918. That's the year John Deere introduced their first production tractor, the 18 horsepower Waterloo Boy. The only similarity with the Waterloo Boy and today's John Deere tractors is the green and yellow paint scheme. But the Waterloo Boy was an important tractor for John Deere. It started a 2-cylinder tradition that lasted until 1960 and made John Deere tractors famous. While other tractor companies switched to 4- and 6-cylinder tractors, John Deere stuck with 2 cylinders. Why? Because they were easy to repair, easy on fuel, they were durable, and farmers just sort of loved them, especially their sound. The 2-cylinder motor goes pop, pop, pop. No wonder John Deere 2-cylinder tractors are called Johnny Poppers. Today, John Deere 2-cylinder tractors are very popular with collectors.
Hear that sound, Johnny Popper, round and round, Johnny Popper. When you hear that sound coming through your town, the answer is clear, it's a big John Deere. What do you see? Johnny Popper. It's a Model D. Johnny Popper. When you hear that sound coming through your town, the answer is clear, it's a big John Deere. First ever engine of its kind, left the others far behind. Only 2 cylinders make her go. When you hear that sound, everyone will know. Listen, chums, Johnny Popper. Now here it comes, Johnny Popper. When you hear that sound coming through your town, the answer is clear, it's a big John Deere. First ever engine of its kind, left the others far behind. Only 2 cylinders make her go. When you hear that sound, everyone will know. Listen, chums, Johnny Popper, now here it comes. Johnny Popper. When you hear that sound coming through your town, the answer is clear, it's a big John Deere.
There are many different types of farms. Farms that grow crops like corn, soybeans, and wheat, which are grown in rows, are called row crop farms. Farms also come in many different sizes. If you work 1,000 acres or less, you are considered a small farm. 5,000 acres or more, well, that's considered a big farm. Otto, you plowed the wrong field. Now go back there and put that field back the way you found it, and hurry up.
Oh, no.
The toy models look pretty real, don't they? See if you can tell the difference. I'll show you a tractor, and you decide whether it's real or toy. Ready, set, go! They were all toy models. How'd you do? Harvest time is my favorite time of year. It starts to get cold and the leaves change from green to many different colors. Mostly red, gold, maroon, orange, and brown. To harvest means to gather the crops. Harvesting usually starts after the first frost. The frost stops the crop's growth and allows the crop to dry. The crop must be dry before it is taken to market. Did you ever hear of a pumpkin harvester? Probably not, because it doesn't exist. The best way to harvest pumpkins is the way Bob does it. He invites his grandkids over and lets them do all the work. Time for a break. Pumpkin harvest is a busy time of the year for farms all over the country. Lots of city kids come for a visit. There's lots to do. They pick out pumpkins, try to find their way through a corn maze, breathe the nice country air, and just have a fun time.
Come on, kids, let's get in the car and go picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. It won't be long, it's not that far, till we're picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. Feel a chill in the morning air, children laughter everywhere. Hunt from dawn till the setting sun, just looking for that special one. Putting on my walking shoes, picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. Hurry up, no time to lose, picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. There's one round like an orange sun, or maybe I'll pick that funny one. That one looks like it weighs a ton, it may be just the one. that special time of year to go picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. People come from far and near to go picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. Pumpkin bread and pumpkin pie, soon a winner will catch my eye. A jack-o'-lantern for Halloween, the biggest you've ever seen. Come on kids, let's get in the car and go picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. It won't be long, it's not that far, till we're picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch. Picking pumpkins in the pumpkin patch.
When John Deere machines are completed at the factory, both trucks and trains are used to deliver the new machines to customers all over the USA. In the early part of the 20th century, steam locomotives ruled the rails. The tractors, implements, and construction equipment were loaded on flat cars, and off they went to help farmers, engineers, and builders all over the country. You don't see steam locomotives much anymore, but they are sure fun to watch. They're big, they smoke, and I love the sound of a steam whistle. In about 1950, the railroads changed from steam to diesel locomotives, but John Deere equipment was still loaded on flat cars.
Tractors are loaded and secured. Sounds good. Don't forget the stock car before you pull out of the yard.
There were box cars too. They carried parts, tools, extra tires, just about everything needed to keep a John Deere equipment operator happy.
Now here they come, riding down the track with old John Deere sitting on the back, chugging down the line. Nothing looks so fine. There's lots of trucks and tractors aboard, and that's not all. There is much, much more. Over hill and dale, with John Deere riding the rails. There's excavators and plenty of dozers and some graders and some big heavy loaders. They make quite a team with diesel motors and steam. Along the way, together they draw a big crowd, and people wave and give a cheer right out loud. It's a true American tale when John Deere's riding the rails. When John Deere's riding the rails. When John Deere's riding the rails.
Otto, I don't believe this. You baled the wrong field of hay. Now get those bales back in the baler and put that hay back the way you found it. And hurry up.
Oh, no.
Tractors, tractors, big and small, old or new, I love them all. Start her up and let her run, watch those tractors get her done. Late at night or early morning, in the field just planting corn. Watch those wheels go round and round, plowing up that fertile ground. Tractors, tractors, big and small, old or new, I love them all. Start her up and let her run, watch those tractors get her done. Tractors big and small, old or new, I love them all. Start her up and let her run, watch those tractors get her done. Sitting tall behind the wheel, there's nothing like that tractor feel. Working hard in the countryside or having fun on an old hayride. Tractors, tractors big and small, old or new, I love them all. Start her up and let her run, watch those tractors get her done. Tractors big and small, old or new, I love them all. Start her up and let her run, watch those tractors get her done. No matter when, no matter where, just breathing in that country air. Planting seed or harvest time, working hard both rain and shine. Tractors, tractors big and small, old or new, I love them all. Start her up and let her run, watch those tractors get her done. Tractors, tractors big and small, old or new, I love them all. Start her up and let her run, watch those tractors get her done. Left the others far behind. Only 2 cylinders make her go. When you hear that sound, everyone will know. Listen, chums, John Popper. Now here it comes, John Popper. When you hear that sound coming through your town, the answer is clear. It's a big John Deere. First ever engine of its kind, left the others far behind. Only 2 cylinders make her go. When you hear that sound, everyone will know. Listen, chums, Johnny Popper. Now here it comes, Johnny Popper. When you hear that sound coming through your town, the answer is clear. It's a big John Deere.
Toy Trains, one of the most popular children's series in the country. See Toy Trains, Real Trains, Funny Toy Train bloopers,
Oh no!
and the music of award-winning singer-songwriter James Coffey. 12 shows on 4 90-minute DVDs. Plus the final show, a 45-minute special, and oh no, wall-to-wall laughs and fun. 14 shows, all on 6 DVDs. Awards include the prestigious Parents' Choice. For more information, call 800-892-2822. or visit us on the web at tmbv.com.
It's a wonderful kind of feeling. That's the reason I love toy trains.
Oh no! Now available from TM. I Love Big Trains DVD. wall-to-wall real train action. 3 shows all in one action-packed DVD. See steamers, electrics, diesels, and interurbans. All aboard for a high-ballin' ride on the rails. All this plus the toe-tapping music of James Coffey. Prepare to be amazed. 105 minutes, $19.95. To order, call 1-800-892-2822 or visit us on the web at tmbv.com.
I love big trains.
Saddle up your horses, roundup time is near.
Don't miss All About Cowboys Part 1, 45 minutes of exciting cowboy action. See amazing trick riders, heart-pounding rodeo action, a world-class trick roper, original music by Bethany Zill, plus lots more.
My Phyllis dear, to yon blue mountain free, where blossoms smell the sweetest. Come roll along with me. It's every Sunday morning when I am by your side. Let's jump into the wagon and we'll all take a ride.
Don't miss it. See all new Western adventures and All About Cowboys Part 2. More exciting rodeo action. See a fast draw expert. Learn how to ride a horse. Go on a cattle drive, plus new songs by Bethany Zill, and a lot more.
Is fresh and the sky is white and blue, where cattle graze on the prairie range and a cowboy sings a tune.
Don't miss it.